Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete files and folders from your account on Dropbox really quickly. For instance, if you'd like to create some free space in your Dropbox. So let us get started right away now, shall we? So head over to dropbox.com, log into your account, and here on your home screen, guys, head over to that panel here to the left and select all files, or go by photos, for instance, if you like. So I will go with all files. So here on your home screen, you will see a list of all uploaded files in your Dropbox. So all you need to do, guys, is simply click on these three dots here to the right where you see the file and select delete from the drop down menu with that trash icon here. So click on it and confirm that by clicking on delete here. And that's how you delete files from your Dropbox. You may also select multiple files here to the left by selecting or checking these boxes and delete them all at once by right clicking on them and by clicking on delete, and by repeating the same process or by clicking on delete here at the top. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.